Villa Samadhi Singapore by Samadhi. 5 stars. Get the celebrity treatment with world-class service at Villa Samadhi Singapore by Samadhi, housed in a restored 1920 black and white colonial garrison. Villa Samadhi Singapore by Samadhi is located in Labrador Nature Reserve and offers boutique-style accommodations in Singapore. Guests can enjoy meals at the in-house restaurant or have a drink at the bar. Free Wi-Fi is available throughout the property. Beautiful colonial building and staff were lovely. Fantastic breakfast. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Old-style colonial building of high quality. Very refined atmosphere. Beautiful natural location with direct access to the marina. Great service. Mama Helen is the best. And free cocktail hour is a lovely way to end your day. So are the free pastries during afternoon tea. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.